Pete, let me turn to you here because Peter Navarro, former Trump trade advisor, was in federal court earlier today. He's been charged with contempt of Congress. He today entered a not guilty plea. Tell us more.
Right. There were two orders of business today, Hallie. One was the plea, not guilty, as you say. The second was the trial date. His lawyers, and by the way, he now has lawyers after representing himself at the first hearing. They say they need a lot of time, that this is a complicated case, that there are complex constitutional issues. They also say that he has a book coming out and that he wants to do a marketing campaign for it that would start in August and last through December. So they suggested to the judge that a good time to start the trial might be early next year. The government said there's no need to delay the trial, that the facts are very straightforward. The judge himself said he didn't think it was that complicated. So he set a mid-November trial date of November 17th, Hallie.
We also heard after the hearing from Navarro's attorney, who complained about the way Navarro was arrested, calling it outrageous. Here it is.
They put him in handcuffs. They put him in leg irons. I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that does not typically happen to career criminals. It was highly unusual and obviously done for the purpose of humiliating Mr. Navarro.
Setting aside that Navarro now does have legal representation and attorney, does any of that hold water, do we know, Pete?
Well, it may, but it also may not be relevant to the charge of contempt of Congress. This is something that bothers Mr. Navarro a lot. It is true that, generally speaking, in white-collar cases, people are given the chance to turn themselves in. Instead, he was arrested as he was on the jetway of an airplane to go down south for a TV interview. He says that he was denied food and water, that the FBI wouldn't let him call a lawyer. The government says none of that is true. But in a sense, it has nothing to do ultimately with the question of his guilt or innocence on the charge, or guilt or not guilt on the question of whether he was contemptuous of Congress. That's the legal question, and all this other stuff is sort of beside the point legally.
Pete Williams live for us on that. Pete, thank you. As always, good to see you.